Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm Philly P. Welcome to the channel. With us today, we have High Falutin from Brothers Fireworks. You guys, I consider this a classic. I pick it up every year. I got this one at Moapa Fireworks. Address will be in the description. I have never shared this one with the channel, even though I do it every year. This is a rapid fire consumer cake. So right here's the performance. You guys want to pause that and give that a quick read. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, please do like this video, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think in the comments of High Falutin. Let's get out there and demo it out.